guys, welcome back to my channel. My husband is on a diet. He wants to lose weight, so he does not want to eat a lot of carbs. But I want to eat noodles, so today I will cook Chinese stinky noodles. These noodles has a lot of packages inside. I love it. I think it's really fun to eat these noodles because they have so many toppings. It has noodles, mushrooms, tofu, bamboo shoot, peanut, pickled beans, chili oil, vinegar, and there's basil sauce. But it stink. It's very stink. This noodle is very stink. I think the smells is come from bamboo shoot or vinegar. I don't think this noodles is healthy because it's kind of similar to instant noodles. It's like they made everything before I just boil it with hot water. But it's so delicious. I'm addicted to it. I think I eat it at least once a week. It's super easy to cook it too. I just need to boil water and put all ingredients inside the pot. But I never put all of the vinegar inside because I don't like it to be too sour. So usually I just put half of the vinegar package inside. The noodles is unhealthy, so usually I will try to put some vegetable inside to make it like a little bit more nutrition. So I have onions, so I will cut some onions and put inside. I like to cut it into thin slices. I'm done with the onions. Next, I will put some cabbage. For cabbage, I don't like to eat it like with big portion. I like to cut it very thin slices. It looks like we have so much vegetable, but when you put inside the pot, the vegetable will like, I don't know what to say about it, but it's kind of like similar to shrink. Like it no longer look a lot like that. It just have a little bit. My husband is on a diet and he eats egg every day. He eats eggs a lot. For me, I think that eggs are healthy, but if you eat it too much, it's not good. And one day he went to the hospital to have some tests, and the doctor told him that he have high cholesterol. So I think that is because of the egg yolk, and the doctor confirmed that it's because of the egg yolk. So he will not eat egg yolk much like before. So that's why he just eats the white thing, and he will give me the yolk. I don't like egg yolks much, but I'm cheap. I don't want to throw away the egg yolk, so I will put it into my noodles. When the noodles is nearly done, I put onions and cabbages in because it doesn't take much time to cook vegetable. Mix. It doesn't look beautiful, but it tastes so good. It's very delicious. I'm done. Let's eat. I usually like to drink Coke while eating these noodles, but it's very unhealthy, so today I will drink green tea. I like to watch some Chinese show while eating these noodles. I eat a lot, so when I'm eating with my husband, I'm still hungry, so I have to cook more food. So usually he will play games and I will eat my food and watching my shows. It is so delicious. It is spicy, a little bit salty, a little bit sour. It has a lot of toppings too, so it's so fun to eat this. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I don't have a lot of subscribers, so if you're watching these videos, I'm really appreciate it. See you on my next video. Bye bye.